trigonometry math solution. Later, 1 by 1 minus cos theta minus 1 by 1 plus cos theta. LCM 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Then the calculation. If I 1 plus divided 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta, then it may be 1 plus cos theta. Then I have to divide it 1 plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Then minus 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta minus 1 plus cos theta 2 cos theta. Then 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. A plus b a minus b. So I experiment this code. 1 square minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta sin square theta. 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta square. Sin theta into sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. 2 cos theta by sin theta. It may be cot theta. Okay, cot theta. Cot theta. Always sin theta. 1 by sin theta cos theta. Answer. Proved. I have to analyze this trigonometry method further. Please watch it and realize this and solve problem. 1 by cos 1 by 1 minus cos theta minus 1 by 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Then 1 minus cos theta divided 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta. Then I have to remove bracket. 1 plus cos theta minus 1 plus cos theta. 2 cos theta. 1 plus 1 minus 1 square minus cos theta. Plus into a minus b is equal to s square minus b square. Then 1 minus cos theta is equal to sin square theta. 2 cos theta by sin theta by 1 by sin theta, and then it may be cot theta. It's cos theta is cot theta, and 1 is sin theta cos theta. I said, was this related study profoundly all your progressive and students subscribe? I am coming with some band promotion system sponsorship. Please help me and encourage me by within short time I am coming with sponsorship and band promotion system. So I have analyzed inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, and organic chemistry. I analyzed mathematics, such factorization. Please watch my previous lecture and so watch this and study performance and related. All the progressive and civilian. Thank you very much. I am coming with several band promotion system. I mean sponsorship. Please encourage me. Thank you very much.